Hello everyone, welcome back with the seventh puzzle. Puzzle number 7. It's a tectonic with 1 star, and this will be number 1546. Alright, so let's get started. And my strategy is to find a single box. I cannot see any single box here. Do we have a dual box? No, no dual box. Triple box? No, no triple box. Let me see. How about this area? 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area, quadra box, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so 1 digit left should be the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then how about well. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the 5. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This quadra box, the missing numbers here are the 1, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Then 2 boxes left in this area, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. How about one and a 5. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 4. I need to mark some boxes. Yeah. Let me mark some boxes. These 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 5. these 2 boxes left in this area. Also 1 and a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4, therefore should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 1. We have a 4 here, no 4, therefore should be here. And the 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 4. This box can be a 2, cannot be a 1, so 1 digit left should be the 5. The 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That means we have a 4 here. I cannot place a 4 in one of these 2 boxes, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so it should be a 3. And this should be a 4. We have a 3 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 goes in these 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So, 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 should be the 4 and the 2. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here. Yes. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 2 boxes left for the 2. This one and that one. That means I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. This box should be also 1 or 5. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it's a 1 or 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be the 5. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be the 5. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes. Oh, yeah, in these two boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. We have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5, this should be the 5, and this should be a 3. 1 box left should be the 1. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in these two boxes. 2, 4, 1. Yeah. There's the 1. Am I stuck here? The 3 goes here. We have a 3 here. Of course. 3. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And the 1 goes here. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these two boxes. Well, I cannot place a 3 there, because I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 box left should be the 2, the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4 cannot be here, because I need a 1 and a 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 3. The 1 and the 4 goes in these two boxes. Well, I cannot place a 1 here, because I need a 1 in one of those 3 boxes. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So this should be a 4. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be a 4, and this should be a 1. This box should be a 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be a 5. And I've eliminated the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the 1. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 4. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And 1 box left for the 5. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last Tectonic. See you later. Bye bye for now.